Ah yes, the cuckoo clock. Equal parts engineering and enchantment, with a bit of forest magic in every tick. These little charmers usually run on weights shaped like pine cones. Pull the chains to raise the weights, and the clock springs back to life, the cuckoo ready to sing again. To set the time, gently move the minute hand forward, never back. Stop at each half hour and hour so the cuckoo can properly announce the time. But if your feathered friend is getting ahead of himself or lagging behind, it's time to adjust the pendulum. Most cuckoo clocks have a small leaf or decorative disc on the pendulum stick. To slow the clock down, slide the pendulum bob lower. This lengthens the swing, making each tick take a bit longer. To speed it up, slide the bob higher, shortening the swing and making the clock tick faster. Just like with the grandfather clock, small changes go a long way. So make tiny adjustments, then check the time over a day or two. And adjust like that, your cuckoo clock is not only singing, it's singing on time. Hey guys, Ryan here with Upchurch Clockworks. If you like that video, there's a CashApp link below. Even $1 helps. Otherwise, go ahead and subscribe to our Patreon channel for exclusive content and ask questions about your own timepiece. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We'll catch you next time.